Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. The referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged on to quickly and easily. This is a common issue on Windows that prevents you from logging into your account. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Windows Recovery Environment. Win RE by holding down the Shift key, then selecting Power and clicking Restart. Select the Troubleshoot option. Next, select the Advanced options. Select the Command Prompt option. Next, we need to identify the system drive C using the bcdedit command. In this case, it is drive C, so we will switch to drive C to continue. Next, navigate to the System 32 folder inside the Windows directory. Now, let's back up the Ease of Access executable file. Next, overwrite the Ease of Access executable file with the Command Prompt executable file. Now, exit the Command Prompt window and restart your computer. By default, this is the Ease of Access executable file, but we have replaced it with the Command Prompt executable file in step B. Now, please accurately determine your account name. After identifying the locked account, now proceed with activating it so it can be used again. Okay, that's it. You can now access your account. Wishing you all success, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.